Ano ang Paymath? Ito ay 100% legit na program na maaari kang kumita gamit ang iyong mobile phone, laptop at PC. Nagsimula ito noong September 21, 2019 na pinangunahan ni Mr. Daryl M. Carlson mula sa US. Magkano ang membership fee? ₱530 lamang. One-time payment at habang buhay mo ng pagkakakitaan. Sa pagsali mo pa lang, may bonus ka na agad. Sign-up rewards. Digital wallet showing $2 credit. Mobile app notification for sign-up bonus. Close-up of phone screen displaying online rewards at stock equally. $2 at $1 na gift rewards. Paano tayo kikita? Solving math, 1,000 points para sa $1 o 50 piso. 1 point kada tamang solve. Unlimited solving, so talagang walang limit kung gaano karami ang pwede mong kitain. Typer. One correct typing of numbers is equivalent to 1 coin. You only have 2 minutes to play, and then you need to wait 30 minutes to play again. By the way, 1,000 coins is equal to $1. No need to invite anyone to get your payout. Just a note, only $20 is the maximum income per account. Once your account reaches $20.01, that 1 cent is already considered as flush out, which is our safety net. So once you reach $20, encash it every Friday para makaipon ulit kayo ng $20. Payout schedule is minimum of $20 every Friday from 10 in the morning to 10:30 through Smart Padala, Paymaya, GCash, bank, or remittances. You might be wondering, may magtuturo po ba sa akin? Yes po meron. Ako po mismo. Be an encoder now. If interested to join, just message me back para masend ko ang mode of payment ng Paymath at wag pong mahihiyang magtanong. Be a part of my growing team. Thank you po sa mga support at sa mga new member na super legit.